Pittsburgh are rolling down that eastern seaboard.
Hey y'all, the Cowboy Trucker here with our trucking dog Zucky and beautiful wife Sable behind the camera. And a little while ago we put out a little short video on how to change the motor on your window wiper fluid reservoir. Now, this is working great since we replaced it, except for if you look down here, the little white and blue, we sprung a leak. The little gasket is leaking now. So today I'm going to show you a quick fix on how you take care of that. One of the first things you do, you want to get some mechanics gloves or nitro gloves. That way you don't get a whole bunch of chemicals all over your hands, because the brake cleaner will dry out your skin pretty badly. You can always just go down to a dealer and buy a new little seal or have one ordered into your house or whatever. But for a quick fix out on the road until you get home, RTV will do the job. RTV is good for holding up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So it'll handle the heat pretty well. All right, I gotta get a knife to clean this out, and I'll be back with you. Well, this old tube's kind of hardened all the way at the top, so in doubt, just make a new hole. See if we can get some to come out. All right, we're in business. It hasn't completely hardened up. Just like last time, we're just going to remove the motor. You just do some little wiggle and twist until it pops free. You just put it up out of the way somewhere, and we pull the old seal out. Then we're going to re-clean the seal, so we don't see nothing leaking from the inside here. It looks like it's all external. But that's brake cleaner, and it's good for cleaning parts stuff. Traditionally, you want to keep it off of rubber parts, but we're going to seal this back up with silicone and leave it sit for 24 hours before we refill the bottle, and that'll take care of any of our leaks. So, and to make it go longer, because that stuff gets expensive, when you're just cleaning parts, you can spray it on a rag or a towel and use that to clean your parts. So we're going to take some of our black RTV, put a coating around the inside of this, because that's where the leak's at. The leak's not leaking from the inside, but we're going to take care of the inside too. So we pop this seal back in. Make sure it seals up pretty good. In 24 hours, there won't be no leak left on the inside ring there. And the reason why you wait 24 hours, because this stuff fully sets up. You don't want none of this to get sucked up into your brand new motor. But your motor does have a screen to keep stuff from getting sucked up into it. So, but the next time we got to do work on this, we're going to replace the whole bottle here along with the window wiper motor. So we're going to clean up the motor itself, attachment here up. And then we're going to apply some RTV to the motor itself behind the lip here. It doesn't take a whole lot because it's a good tight fit. Just a little bit to work like glue is all we're wanting. So you get nice thin coating. You get your motor how you want it to sit. And just pop it back in. And then you're done. 24 hours later, no more leaking seal. And you don't have to replace the bottle, but it does leave you a whole lot of work to clean that RTV up if you ever change that pump again. Thank y'all for tuning in. God bless, and we'll see y'all next time.
On the night. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna